Hi there, I'm Buki Faferiji, and this is CFO Intel. It's a financial decision intelligence platform that lets you run CFO grade intelligence and insights with a paper trail to boot. Or information, you will put in your email address and you will get a code, one time code, and then you put that code in and it lets you come in to this page using the uploaded sample data. Or you can upload your files on the left. I have the period and I have the question. Now you have that run in less than 30 seconds. From the top, you can see a dashboard view. A little legend here tells you what the evidence guide is. There are three types. Either the data is supported, which is directly evidenced in the source data, or the insight is partially supported, meaning there is some data, but it's with limitations. And then there are just some insights that never make it out of the block because, like the word says, is blocked for lack of evidence in the data. The board readout. Next is the claim ledger. And all that is showing you what is supported, every insight generated, and the calculation and the data sources. Inventory of which source files were all used for this analysis. And lastly, you have your Excel, PDF, and PowerPoint as exports to go digest on your own time. That error and shows you what exactly that AI error hallucination was and the reason why it blocked it. So let me give you an example. It sounded good to AI. The cash decline was caused by slower collections. And it blocked it because he said you cannot claim that because there is no data. There is no AR/AP inventory schedule to support that. Just because you're making a causal claim with no data evidence. That's one example of not only catching the error, but also surfacing it up to the finance leaders to see this is why this was blocked. This is PowerPoint output looks like, similar to the Excel version. The Excel and the PowerPoint view, depending on who the audience is and which is their preferred mode of communication. Again, shows you the source formula calculation, limits, and then it tells you why those flagged or blocked claims were flagged and blocked. This does not exist in the market. I can say that fairly confidently. And so CFO Intel is your next best friend as a CFO, as a finance leader, as someone who works in finance. CFO Intel turns financial source data into decision ready analysis while preserving source to calculation to claim traceability. Thanks for watching.